The show is about the power of the mind. Now, if you think about the human mind, there are two notions. One is talent. The other is skill. And there is a vast difference between talent and skill, because talent is something that you are born with, like the symmetry of your face, while skill is something that you acquire. The next experiment that I'm about to show you is pure skill. And by pure skill, I mean that each one of you can accomplish if you give up completely your social life. Just by raise of hand, who know here how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Now I need you to come and help me, please, on stage, and Anna, please come and help me also on stage. I want to show you something. I'm going to compete with you, okay? If you can solve one side faster than me solving the entire cube, you will get a tiny Glenn Friedrich scotch. Now you will be of great importance. In a second, please stand. Okay, whenever you want, you run.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Now, please take this and tie one hand behind my back. It's done. It's done. Thank you so much. Okay, give me a 2-digit number between 10 and 99, whatever number that you want.
69.
He's a very, very strange man, but you can see his woman, she is very happy with him. Okay? I believe that you are not the kind of person that go with the flow. You go on your direction. You do things the way you think should be done. Okay. Thank you. Darko, out loud, and please don't lie, because if you lie, you're going to hell. So please don't lie. Darko, out loud, what is your zodiac sign?
Pisces.
Thank you so much.